Hello everyone, मैं BL Sharma Mathso discussing case study based questions for class 10th mathematics for the coming means board examination. These case study questions are very important. Actually, 3-4 questions are mixed in the same question. किसी क्वेश्चन को एक स्टोरी प्रॉब्लम में कन्वर्ट कर दें या वर्ड प्रॉब्लम में कन्वर्ट कर दें और उसे 3-4 डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस आप निकाल लें, उसी को केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन कहते हैं. मीन्स यू हैव टू गो थ्रू दी होल पैराग्राफ of the question. So the case study question is on your screen. From the top of 60-meter high building, Rudra observed the top and bottom of the tower standing on the same ground and found the angle of depression of top and the bottom of the tower, that is 45 degree and 60 degree. Respectively, he tied a rope from the top of the building to the foot of the tower. To supply the material. Now answer the following questions. ऐसे ही आपको एक पैराग्राफ गिवन दिया होता है और उसमें से कुछ क्वेश्चंस आपको आंसर्स करने होते हैं. In the first question is, find the distance between the tower and the building, means this distance or this distance. Find the height of the tower, means this. Find the length of the rope, this. Find the distance of the top of building from top of tower, this. ये सारे हम जो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज होते हैं, साइन कोस टेन, इसमें से हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे. देखिए फर्स्ट पार्ट, find the distance between tower and the building. So we have to take the right triangle ACD, in which AB and CD, for acute angle 60 degree, AB is perpendicular and CD is base. So for AC upon CD, that is equal to 1060. AC is given 60 meter and we have to calculate CD, and with the value of 1060 is root 3. So CD is equal to 60 upon root 3. Now rationalize the denominator by multiplying numerator and denominator by square root of 3. Numerator और denominator को square root 3 से multiply करें और इसको rationalize करें. So root 3 into root 3, that is 3, 60 upon 3, that is 20, so it is 20 root 3. But the value of root 3 is given here, it is 1.73. So in place of root 3, you replace root 3 by 1.73. So 20 into 1.73. अब आप इसको बहादुरी के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. And after calculation, we get the answer, that is approximately 34.60 meter, this distance. This is the distance between building and tower, that is 34.60 meter. Now for part B, the height of the tower. See, the height of the tower is this DE, but DE is equal to BC. So what you do, we already have calculated this CD, that CD is equal to 34.60 meter. CD is equal to BE. So BE is also 34.60 meter. But here see, this angle is 45 degree, this angle is 90 degree. So this angle is also 45 degree by angle sum property. Means the triangle ABE is an isosceles triangle. तो जितना BE होगा उतना ही AB होगा. Yeah, you can find out the value of 1045 is 1. So AB is equal to BE. Here BE is 34.60 meter. So AB will also be equal to 34.60 meter. But what is AB? That is 34.60 meter. लेकिन हमें तो find out करना है BC, because BC is equal to D. तो BC के लिए क्या करें? You subtract means 34.60 from 60 meter. ये total 60 meter है. ये this is 34.60. So subtract करेंगे, then you will be getting BC. So DE is equal to BC. That is 60 minus 34.60 meter. So that is 25.40 meter. So the height of the tower, this height of the tower is 25.40 meter. This BC is equal to DE. So that's answer of the part B. Find the length of the rope. Length of the rope this. So for right triangle ACB, acute angle 60 degree and one side is given AC. So you can write AC upon CD is equal to sine 45 degree, or you can say AD upon AC, that is cosec 45 degree. आप इसमें एक ये साइड फाइंड आउट करेंगे. So AD upon AC, that is cosec 60. AC is given 60 meter. So AD is equal to 60 into cosec 60. That is 2 upon root 3. Rationalize the denominator, multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. So that it will give us 40 root 3 meter. Root 3 को rationalize करेंगे, multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. So it will be 20 root 3 multiplied by this 2, so that is 40 root 3. Root 3 का values replace कर देना चाहिए, that is equal to 1.73 because it is given in the question. So 40 into 1.73 on multiplication we get 69.2 meter. So the length of the rope means AD is equal to 69.2 meter. And now this part, find the distance of the top of building from the top of tower. Ye. That is top of building. This is top of tower. Again, we know that AB upon AE is equal to sine 45. We know AB is given, that is 34.60 meter. Sine 45 is equal to AB upon AE. In place of AB, you can put sine 45 is given by root 3. AB is equal to 34.6, ये रहा. Upon AE हमें find out करना है. So on cross multiplication, AE is equal to 34.6 root 2 meter. That's all for this question. Because the value of root 2 is not given, so you can keep root 2 as it is. Root 2 का वैल्यू, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 का वैल्यू हमें नहीं गिवन है, इसलिए रूट 2 की स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 की जगह स्क्वायर रूट 2 ही आप रहने दें. दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. मैं BL शर्मा, मैथ सर. You can take a screenshot of it. Thank you.